Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
And I'm Mori.
Yeah, so in today's episode, we are going to be asking Kenyans what do they know about Haiti? Yeah, do they know anything about Haiti? So if you want to find out, come with us. Let's go find out. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. By now we know you're Nimrod.
Yeah,
All right. So today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Haiti?
yeah, I know the country Haiti.
Okay, how do you know it or what have you heard about it?
I've heard of it. I've heard a lot about it. It's in the Caribbean, like Jamaica. It's one of the poorest countries in the world in that area. Also, it's very poor. It has a lot of wars. This war between tribes, people, communities, such gun wars, gun violence. Yeah, that I've heard a lot. Yeah.
All right. And is it a country given a chance? Would you consider visiting Haiti?
Yeah, definitely.
What would you look forward to seeing or experiencing when you get there?
To experience their lifestyle, their culture. They have a certain type of culture in the Caribbean, their festivals, such stuff. Yeah, it's a good experience.
That is very beautiful. For our Haitian fans who are watching, what would you like to tell them?
They have a good country. Their country is growing. They should just work towards it, and it will be one of the best countries.
That is very beautiful. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of Haiti?
Yeah, I've heard of Haiti.
What have you heard about them?
The last thing I heard about the Haiti, there was some war. So Kenyan soldiers were to go there. Yeah.
Okay. So and is Haiti a country you'd like to visit given the opportunity?
I'm scared because there was war there. So I don't know, but maybe when it calms down, I would.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm David.
David.
Yes.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Haiti?
Yes, I've heard of them.
What have you heard about Haiti or what do you know about it?
Mostly through the Kenyan government because they wanted to send troops over there because of the gang violence.
Okay.
Yes.
And is it a country you'd like to visit given an opportunity?
Not really. I don't like violent countries, especially America is, no? Yeah.
Okay. And do you know where Haiti is located?
The Caribbean.
Yeah, it's located in the Caribbean. And do you know other islands in the Caribbean?
Yeah, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, countries like those, yeah.
And why do you think Jamaica is the most common or popular country in the Caribbean and these other
Music.
music?
Yeah.
Oh, so thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Abdi. I go by the name Passport Light.
Passport Light.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Haiti?
Yes, I know.
What do you know about it or what have you heard about it?
Actually, Haiti is a country located in southern hemisphere. And there are two islands. One is called Dominican Republic, another is called Haiti. So Haiti speaks French, while Dominica speaks Spanish.
I see you know that is information that a lot of Kenyans don't know.
Yeah. I know.
Okay.
Yeah, I know Haiti. They speak French. Their capital is called Port-au-Prince. Yeah.
Is there anything else you know about Haiti?
Actually, I know nowadays they are suffering. The gangs are trying to like overthrow the government. So there's too much problem there. But now, last time I was with this guy called Check Nefekti. He told me if you want to go to Haiti, there are some like safe areas you can go to. Like there's an area called Port Salut, there's an area called Chagmai, there's an area called Cap Haitian. So if you want to go to Haiti this time, you have to go to those areas. But nowadays you don't need to go to Port-au-Prince, which is the capital city, because there's so much going on there. Yeah.
Okay, so for Africans who are watching this and you want to go to Haiti, you can still go to Haiti. Our good brother here is educating us, telling us there are safe areas in Haiti. It's not all infested by gang violence, all right? Yeah. So which leads me to ask you, is there like would you, if the opportunity presented itself, would you like to visit Haiti?
Yes, for sure. Yeah. But now if I go to it now, I may visit now Cap Haitian or Port Salut or Chagmai. Yeah. But now Port-au-Prince is not safe now. Yeah, they're going to kidnap people. They're going to kill people. There's like people, gangs building the government. Yeah. So Haiti nowadays is not safe, but there are some safe areas where you can go.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what would you like to maybe experience should you get to the opportunity to go to Haiti?
For me, Haiti, I like their culture. They're good people. They're nice people. And they've been like surviving like so many years. So I like Haiti. I like
Okay, that's nice. Thank you so much for your time. But before you go, so what can you tell our audience, both Africans and African diasporas or Caribbeans? What message can you tell them?
Actually, I want to tell them, listen, please watch my sisters. They're very good people. They are trying to promote Africa. They're trying to like spread love between Africa and the Caribbeans. They are trying to spread love between African diaspora and Africans. They need to like educate. Please, if you are watching their videos, you should also come to Africa. You know, we are waiting for you here. Please come to Africa, see Africa. Especially if you are from the Caribbean, want you to visit Africa.
Right.
Yeah, Africa. If you're from Jamaica, you don't know like how much they love you here. They love you so much.
Right.
Yeah, so so if you're from Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Haiti, Bahamas, please come to Africa. We are waiting for you here. And we as content creators, we are trying to show you what's going on in the Africa and the motherland, so that you can also see, and maybe one day you come here and see you sort of.
Okay, and would you say maybe for someone who's wondering and they want to come to Africa but they are too afraid to come, would you say Africa is a safe place for tourists?
Yes. Actually, yeah. Actually, I can say actually it's very safe. Like now, Kenya, yeah, it's very beautiful country. They can come to Kenya, they can go to Uganda, they can go to Ghana. There's so many. Africa is safe. Yeah, so people from the Caribbean, people from the maybe America, Canada, please come to Africa, see the motherland. We're waiting for you here. We're here to show you like the good side of Africa. Please come to Africa.
Thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it. All right. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Festus.
Festus.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Haiti?
Yeah.
What have you heard of it, or what do you know about them?
Haiti. I know about Haiti, about the gang violences. Yeah, I know about them killing their presidents. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and the state of insecurity there. Yeah.
All right. So if you're given a chance to visit Haiti, would you like to take it?
No. I fear for my security.
Okay. And do you know where the country Haiti is located?
No. I have a little history about Haiti.
So it's located in the Caribbean island. Have you ever heard about the Caribbean island?
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Yeah, so there are a couple of islands in the Caribbean and Haiti is one of them.
Okay.
Yeah, so thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate.
Okay, thank